Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to count hours in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data, employee ID, employee name and in punch and out punch time. So here I'm going to count the hours between the in punch and out punch time. So let's start. Please select the cell, use the is equal to and just enter MOT and select here the this function and select the first out punch time, use the minus sign, then select the in punch time, then use the comma 1, bracket close, use the asterisk sign and 24. So 24 is day hours. So in day, the 24 hours. Okay. And just enter. And that's it. Drag this formula below the cell. So I just drag this formula below the cell. Okay. See here, the hours is count in this between the in punch and out punch time. Again, I use here the same formula. Okay, suppose I select this cell and use the is equal to MOD and select the out punch, then minus sign, then in punch time. Use the comma 1 asterisk, sorry, bracket close, then asterisk sign and 24. And now I place the enter. I just drag this formula below this cell. And see here, what is the difference? The amount is not, so hour is not showing here. Okay, it's not calculated here. Same formula I'm using it, but it's not. So here I want in hours time. So for that, simply select the data and press the shift control 1. That's it. Your time will convert it in hours. Okay, shift control 1. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.